Well, as you can see, that is my hometown stretch, yeah? We're in a place called Treorchy, lads. Treorchy's a nut house, man. It's where all the boys live, it's where I live. It's where the genuine G's live, like. Except my G's will live in Cardiff, pick up the boys from Cardiff. I love you loads, you know that very much, man, but Treorchy's my home, yeah? I will be back in Cardiff soon, boys. Don't you fucking worry. Tonight, just for a couple hours, yeah? Because I've got a game, I have a pint with my work friends, and then I'm going home. Because today's going to be a long ass day for you or not, lads. So I've got a long day ahead of me today. Like you see, I am wearing a home keeper top. If I'm wearing a camera black on foot, that's because you're in my jeans ass pocket, yeah? Because I'm over back in my own town, yeah? I don't know I do this kind of thing. You don't know I have a lot of match days, yeah? I'm a bit scared of them, just to tell any cunt. Just due to the fact I've been bullied for in the past, like, yeah? When I was in my Spurs match day ones, you know, I grew up in my heart, right? I mean, bullied as fuck for it. Stop it. Come here, you sexy fucker. Come here, you sexy fucker. And then she was one of the mad cunts I was talking about from Treorchy, yeah? The feature my match day vlog.
Definitely.
You know, Cardiff City play Wolves tonight, yeah? I know you're not a football fan, but
I don't like football.
But I want your prediction tonight ahead of tonight's game, yeah?
I reckon PlayStation are gonna win.
Yeah, when I hear that, man, that's from a non-football fan's perspective, yeah?
Exactly.
So you reckon PlayStation's going to win, yeah?
Definitely.
So this is all for now, guys. I'll catch you back up later.